Audi proves tremendous performance can come in tiny packages with the boisterous 2020 RS3.
While I'm thinking in my head.
The compact sports sedan looks aggressive enough to suggest it's more than an ordinary four-door.
I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this matters is insane. Why you still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the.
Behind its intake-heavy facade sits a 400-horsepower turbocharged 5-cylinder engine that feeds a snappy automatic transmission and a proficient all-wheel drive system. This unit delivers rapid acceleration that's bookended by a joyfully unique exhaust note. Behind the wheel, the littlest RS sedan creates big smiles thanks to its playful agility and willingness to be driven hard.
Untold stories, they were left behind. Silent breeze, I got nothing on my mind.
While its back seat is small and its price tag is large, the 2020 RS3 primarily exists to entertain drivers who are more focused on thrills than bills.